I guess the Pinots, when we took over the vineyard, it was definitely our focus with the wines, because in terms of the varieties and the vineyard, because obviously Martinborough is really well known for Pinot. I wanted to focus on Pinot. I'd never been a huge fan of Pinot until I tried Martinborough Pinot, of New Zealand Pinot that is, until I tried Martinborough Pinot. I thought it had some real special characters. So obviously when we bought the vineyard, that's something we really wanted to focus on. And making, like for, I guess, as a winemaker, making wine from the same place year on year is I don't know if it's the pinnacle, but it's kind of something that you is really fun, because you get to see the results of the same vineyard year on year, and so then you can kind of tweak the wines to where you want them to go, or what the vineyard is giving you anyway. So I guess with our Pinots, we've got the 3 clones. We vinify them all separately. It's all hand harvested, and we vinify them separately, and then we'll do a blend of them at the end. Not always everything goes into the final blend. We'll just make the best wine we possibly can. And it's something that we've worked really, really hard on. When we took over, I think the vines were probably a little bit too vigorous. We were getting quite big bunches with big berries, and we've managed to drag that back with competition. Smaller berries, more intense flavours. And what I really like from down that part of the as opposed to maybe not as opposed to the terrace, but we do tend to get these really nice savoury characters, quite aromatic, quite delicate aromatically. We don't use a lot of new oak, but there's really nice earthy, savoury characters that seem to come through, and the longevity of the wines too is something that we're looking to improve over how long they'll cellar over a number of years. So we're little by little we're getting there. We had 2017, we had a lot of rain. 18 was a tricky year in terms of the climatic conditions. 19 we got frosted, and then 20 we had COVID, but actually I think we've probably made the best Pinot we have in 2020. And I guess the complexity of the wines come from those 3 clones, because it's a single vineyard. You can't do different sites which give you different characters. You're all within the one site, and it's just those 3 clones that give you that complexity to the wine. So it's really, really fun to work with.
Nice.